Maintenance work rarely happens in offices. It happens in basements, plants, yards, and remote locations where connectivity is unreliable or unavailable. When mobile maintenance tools depend on network availability, technicians are forced to stop, wait, or fall back on paper. A true mobile maintenance solution must work independently of connectivity, without compromising accuracy or control. Mobile asset maintenance is built with an offline-first architecture, designed for real operating environments. Technicians can create, update, and complete work orders offline, capturing every detail as the work happens. All information is securely stored on the device and automatically synced once connectivity is restored. This ensures maintenance continues as planned, with accurate records and no manual re-entry. Once online, all updates sync seamlessly with Oracle Maintenance Cloud, keeping the ERP as the single source of truth.